Hello YouTubers, and in this video I want to show you how to make this overlay countertop. This is in an older home. This house was built in the 70s, and we bought this house, and I just kind of wanted to play around to see, because many people made concrete countertops and it looked pretty good. This one's my first try. I will have to probably go back and re-sand it because there's still a few, like right here's a little rough spot and some rough spots here, but for the most part it's pretty shiny. I don't know if you can see the little reflection there. I sprayed a little bit of water lightly on here, and you can see the natural pebbles. I like that look. It has not been sealed. It has not been sealed yet. Sorry, I can't talk. I will, once this all dries, I will get some acrylic sealer and I will seal it with acrylic. I polished this and sanded it with these diamond sanding pads. They're kind of flexible. They have a little bit of bend to them. They're really durable. If you use just a regular sandpaper, those will fall apart. The concrete will just tear it up. You have to use these diamond. They have little pieces of diamonds in there, like cheap diamonds. But these are really cheap. I post a link of them under the video. I got them on eBay for like I think $15 or $16. So it's a 10-piece. It came with like a sander head, which is this thing right here. I just put on my drill, and this is a variable drill. I just slowly sanded the whole thing. I used this drill, and then I put them on my sander, and I just sprayed water on top of the countertop really lightly, and then because all of the electrical is in top part of the motors on top, and then here we have like a gearbox and then the spinner, so you're kind of completely safe as long as this top part does not get wet. It's fine, but still don't do this. I'd recommend you get a sander that is for wet stuff, like granite countertops. Okay, so that's that. Please enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and ask questions if you have any questions.